Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Opinions Matter, and this is going to be the review of the Microsoft Surface Go. Microsoft Surface Go actually wins in a lot of category, and this product has been sitting in my background for a lot of time. A lot of my videos have the Microsoft Surface Go at the background. You guys have been asking question, what is this tablet all about? Well, the Microsoft Surface Go is very unique because of its form factor and size. Coming at 10 inches in display size at an aspect ratio of 3:2 with pixel sense technology, this Surface Go is the best bang for the buck under 500 bucks. Now, why 500? Because the thing is that there's another version which is 4 gigs of RAM. I would tell you rather pick up this guy with pentium processor, 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. If you're wondering what are the ports on it, it has only one USB-C and a headphone jack, thankfully, and a charging port. I think that's all you might require. It does have a micro SD, which will be underneath the hood. I would say underneath the hood because of the Surface proprietary flap that they have got. And man, that hinge system is perfect. With one finger, you can drop down the Surface Go to a studio mode. Same feeling that you'll have on a premium Surface Studio, you get that same feeling on the Surface Go tablet. Now, how does the pen react? Yes, it's a little bit notchy, I would say, just because I think the screen refresh rate is not good and the dual core processor seems to be a little bit laggy, but it still pretty much does the job. Palm rejection, it's 2019. Obviously, it has prime palm rejection, and with the help of palm rejection, you can actually rest your palms on top while you are scanning or scrolling through the pages of the internet. Since I said that it's a tablet, it also has a tablet mode, which I do not like at all. I usually prefer using it as a regular computer just because Microsoft could not capitalize on their app development. Like not a lot of apps can be found on the Microsoft Store. But if you're watching Netflix, maybe tablet mode is a better way to go. Well, what about keyboard? Well, if you do not wish to buy a keyboard, there is an on-screen keyboard. On-screen keyboard works just perfectly fine. For myself, for the sake of my fingers, I just use the pen, and I bought a keyboard also. So here I was checking out the speed in which this pen is writing. I did not notice any lag at all. As you can see, it is performing very, very well, and it feels that I'm writing on paper. And here are some tricks about it. Alrighty, so whatever we are talking, it's actually recording right now, okay? So you can actually keep the recording on the side, and you can actually, go home, and the audio recording is still on, as you can see on the top. And then on the side, you can write down note 1, class 1. Yeah, and then you can scroll down. Okay, so for example, you're doing something like microbiology, and your lecturer is actually giving you notes and stuff like that. You can actually come back later on and review this. So in recording, just go ahead and press stop. Now let's play the sound on this. Alright, so whatever we are talking, it's actually recording right now, okay? So you can actually keep the recording on the side, and you can actually, go home, and the audio recording is still on, as you can see on the top. And then on the side, you can write down note 1, class 1. Yeah, and then you can scroll down. Okay, so for example, we are doing something like microbiology, and your lecturer is actually giving you notes and stuff like that. Now, obviously, whenever you purchase, Surface Go, the pen is not included. This is an accessory purchase, so you have to buy this separately for 100 bucks. The keyboard you have to buy separately for another 100 bucks. So we are going to watch some stuff, and we are going to see how good it is in multitasking. So we'll go to Task Manager. So on our GPU course, you're going to see that this is not a very strong CPU. It is only 1.6 gigahertz dual core processor, and the RAM on this is only 8 gigs of RAM, which is not expandable also. So you will see 2 of 2 has been used, which means that you cannot upgrade this. I don't know whether anybody has opened up a Surface Go and ever tried to upgrade a RAM on that or not. Storage, in this we will know what is it all about. So in GPU, now watch this. it's 4 gigs of dedicated graphics, which means that it now enables, with the help of a USB-C, you can now actually connect to like monitors and everything, which we are going to show right now, and how that behaves. Is it a full 1920 into 1080p kind of display? No guys, this is not a full HD display. So it's under resolution of full HD, but it is not HD, so it's somewhere in the middle. So if you guys want to know what is the maximum display, that is the maximum display. So you can either scale it down to an HD, which is 1280 into, hold on a second, 1280 into 720, but recommended one will be 1800 by 1200. Okay, so let's close that one. Now one more stuff that we are going to check also is multitasking performance. So for example, we will be opening up all these apps. Okay, we'll be opening up these apps and see what happens with the CPU stress. Nothing happens to that. Memory also holds up really good. And for example, I'm opening up Microsoft Edge, I'm opening up this, and you'll see that the Windows circle button has come up and everything. But let's go ahead and check what happens to our CPU and everything. Okay, our CPU maxed out by opening like 4 or 5 windows, but our RAM was holding at 62%. Yeah, CPU will max out when you're doing like multitasking and stuff like that. So make sure you are opening 1 by 1 windows, or you're opening 2 windows to the max. You can open up multiple tabs if you want to. So this is kind of a mess, but this is my small desk that I have, and we are going to check what happens when you connect a multi-port adapter or multiple port accessory like this. So this is probably the cheapest accessory right now. It's like it has one USB, one HDMI, and another USB-C. Now if you see properly in this side, you have a USB-C, a headphone jack, and a charging port. But your USB-C can also charge your laptop, so which means that the Surface Go can be charged with the help of USB-C and with the help of your proprietary charger. So let's quickly plug this in right now. What it does is that you will see that it actually toggles to a bigger display right now. Now since I have set this up for a simple display, like I have toggled this for like not for a dual display but for a single display. But if you want, you can actually go to system preferences. So as you can see, I've written show only 2. You can actually do extend this displays. In that way, what it happens is that you get 2 displays to keep. Okay, and you will see I'm running Windows 10 Home. I'm not running Windows 10 Home in S mode. To run Google Chrome and everything, and to unlock the full potential, just go to change product key or upgrade your edition of Windows, and then you can go to Windows 10 Home and change that. It is free totally. You do not have to pay anything right now for that. The Surface Go I've been using is for 6 months, and I'll run a lot of stuff on it. It is my go-to kind of a tablet. All of these videos that you are going to see right now, watching right now, are edited on my iPad. But the thing is that there are a lot of stuff that an iPad cannot do. That is the reason I did not want to invest on a very big kind of a computer. But I knew that in 2019, a dual core processor and 8 gigs of RAM is good enough for me to do like everyday work, do some research on the side, and also it allows me to do a lot of multitasking. So that is the reason I think that Microsoft Surface Go is probably the best tablet under $500 right now in the market. And even if you're looking for affordable laptops, go ahead and get the Surface Go. Also, do remember this Surface Go does not come with Windows 10 Home. It comes with S mode. So make sure you're unlocking from Windows 10 Home S mode to regular Windows 10. So that's it from the channel, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the presentation. If you like this presentation, give me a big thumbs up, and do press that subscribe button, probably on the left or something like that. And see you guys again on another episode. So till then, take care, Shabakir, Tasvidania. Goodbye.